Alright, you guys, are y'all ready for the big reveal? Oh my gosh, this hair is so cute. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, my name is Julianna. I am so glad you guys clicked on this video. Make sure to subscribe down below, like this video, turn that bell notification on so that every time I upload you guys are notified. I cut my hair even shorter. I've never had my hair this short in my entire lifetime, and I'm kind of debating on going for this haircut, insert picture here, just because I want a different change. I want a different hairstyle, and I think that this is cute, yes, but I might want a little bit of a pixie cut, but I'm not 100% sure. I want you guys to let me know down in the comments below what you think I should do. Should I just even this out and leave it like this and just kind of straighten it and stuff? Or should I go for a pixie cut? Because both ways, I'm gonna have to style it every day just because it is a hairstyle that doesn't look good without it being styled. So that's the downside of these kind of short hairstyles, is that you have to actually style them every day for them to look decent. If you don't, your hair is gonna look crazy and it's just not gonna be cute. So let me know if you want me to leave it like this or maybe change it up and do a pixie haircut. I've been debating on doing either one or the other or both. I don't know yet, but yeah, I really like how I did it. I actually, short story, I decided to cut my hair with my Hello Kitty little scissors, and basically I didn't brush through it or anything. But yeah, I did brush through it with a hair brush, but then like I just like put little put little hair ties in it, and then like I just like cut it off through the hair tie. That is not the way to cut your hair, okay? I am not a professional hairstylist. I know nothing about hair, and I absolutely screwed my hair up when I did that. So do what I did and just get your hair cut professionally whenever you do want to cut your hair, just because it will save you a lot of time and money and you won't be like screwing your hair up and stuff. But I just did want to say that my hair is fine now. My grandmother, she evened it out, she touched it up, and we're most likely, if I want to change up the hairstyle and do something different, we're gonna go and get it professionally done, because we're not even gonna attempt to do that here at the house, just because we're not like professional hairstylists. Like I said, we don't know anything about cutting hair or doing pixie haircuts. We just know like the bare minimum basics of like trimming your hair and stuff. So that's what we normally do, but like to chop off a ton of hair is a lot to do on your own. So I'm gonna get it professionally done next time, but this is my new hair. Let me know what you guys think. I love it. I really do love it, and I think that I might want to change it up, but like I said, let me know. So yeah, thank you so much for clicking on this YouTube video. If you're new, like I said, make sure to subscribe, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.